Imagine you're happily coding away in AppleScript when suddenly a pesky problem pops up. You notice strange characters in the error messages shown in the console, like can't instead of can't. Quite annoying, isn't it? You wonder if it's AppleScript, the shell, or the console causing this confusion. So, what's the problem here? Moving on to the solution, let's dive into the fix that can save the day. The key lies in the AppleScript command. Write log entry and return to retetto the thing starting at iOS. This command writes the string in Mac OS Roman encoding, which might not play nice with certain characters. How can we tackle this encoding issue? Well, keep on reading. Now, let's enhance that solution even further. By adding a simple tweak to the code, everything falls into place. Just modify the command to write log entry and return to retetto the thing starting at EOF as class UTF-8. This change ensures that the text is written in UTF-8 encoding, making those error messages display correctly in the console app. A small adjustment for a big impact, right? In summary, we've tackled a sneaky encoding problem in AppleScript that was causing error messages to show odd characters in the console. By switching to UTF-8 encoding with a simple command adjustment, those error messages now appear crystal clear. So, until next time, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Keep coding and stay awesome.